What would happen if every human on Earth sneezed at the exact same time? Brace yourself, this is insane. That is 8 billion sneezes blasting through the air all at once. Scientists say the combined force is about the energy of a small earthquake. And germs? Forget it. A swirling cloud of sneeze particles could circle the planet in minutes. Your face mask just went from optional to mandatory for survival. Air currents would shift, papers fly, dogs bark, cats freak out, and somewhere a scientist screams, "I did not sign up for this." So next time you sneeze, just be glad it is not 8 billion people at once.